Within the realm of trademarking stuff and protecting what we've created, what about the content that we are creating within a membership? Is that protectable? And if so, how do we go about it?
Yeah, this is my personal favorite, Rick. I'm a copyright lawyer by training. So yes, most of the content in your membership is going to be protected by copyright. And I should give my disclaimer. Nothing Shantae and I are saying is legal advice. This is just information, but we're US lawyers. So in the United States, as soon as you create a video or a blog post or a worksheet or, any of the content that we typically see in memberships, if it's out of your brain and like into a computer file, a PDF or a video, it is protected by copyright. You have that kind of basic level automatically.
Okay.
The downside is you cannot file a lawsuit until it's registered with the US Copyright Office. So that means if it's something you really care about, and we think of this proportionally just like with trademarks, because it's expensive to enforce your copyrights, just like it is for trademarks. But if you do think that you're at risk of having someone copy you and you might have to enforce those rights, we do encourage our clients to register their copyrights with the Copyright Office.
When we spoke earlier, you brought up a specific example in this sense. Obviously, we weren't talking about a specific, naming a client, but like, do y'all remember what that was?
We have a client with a very successful membership, very large, lots of members, and she has a digital planner that she also sells as a physical item that's only available in her membership to her members. You cannot buy it in the marketplace. And we found someone had put it on Etsy, a digital planner, and they'd made like a couple little changes, but it was basically her exact planner. We have registered that copyright because it's a big part of her business. And so we sent a cease and desist letter, and happily it was taken down. It was resolved very quickly. That is not always the case. It wasn't like somebody took some concepts and made their own. Like not everything is protectable by copyright. You can't copyright a calendar.